Friends, I welcome you. I would like to say a few words about currency trading and how to make money from it. In general, I would divide this business into two areas. The first is independent trading. When you open an account with a broker, trade, and with good price forecasting abilities, you can earn money. And it costs 200-300% of your deposit. And your possibilities are unlimited. But there is a risk here. You can lose 100% of your deposit if you manage your funds incorrectly. The second direction is the partner direction. That is, you can attract clients of private, independent traders who trade and pay a commission to the broker, and the broker shares the commission with you. In this case, you have unlimited potential, as well as with independent trading, but at the same time the risk is 0%. You must agree that it is very tempting and promising. I want to invite you to a meeting where everyone who is interested in partner work will tell you about it and share my experience. And now, I would like to tell you a story. We have one person among our partners who recently earned $4,500 in one day. First of all, he earned it from just one client. And secondly, the client's deposit was only $36,000. And the partner's earnings amounted to more than 10% of the client's deposit. Admit it, it's very interesting. And this, by the way, is no exception. Each of you can also show such a result and even beat it. There is an opinion that clients with large deposits are needed to earn money on an affiliate program. In fact, this is not quite true. I'll tell you a little secret. My biggest income, the largest percentage income, I receive from clients who have $500, $1,000 in accounts for working as a partner. You don't need big clients. So, this business is not as complicated as it might seem at first glance. Therefore, those who have already spent time on trading, on studying this area, and want to develop further, I advise everyone to come to the event. And maybe some of you will discover new opportunities for yourself. So bye everyone, see you later.